Hey everybody, welcome back. So my trial period ended with MobileX, and MobileX calculated that my 30-day usage would have come to about 38.18 gigabytes of data. Crazy. But again, remember, I only was using like a Wi-Fi maybe like 2% of the time. 98% of the time I was on MobileX, I was using the data that MobileX offered. So I have home Wi-Fi access. I have a Wi-Fi access at work. So going with a much less data plan for me wouldn't kill me or wouldn't be a struggle. But here's where MobileX was telling everybody, those that were using a high amount of data, that it wouldn't be a good fit for them to join MobileX because it's geared towards cost savings. Adjusting my amount to just 1 gig and the pricing with unlimited talk and text included $8.94. That is cheaper than most prepaid companies offering out there today. So you can see that the roles are reversed here because MobileX does have what they call fake unlimited. Now I'm not bashing them. That's what they call their unlimited plans. 15 gigabytes for $20, and then 30 gigs for 25 with video optimization playback limited at 480p and no ultra wideband access on Verizon's network. Whereas if you go with a customized plan, which you can adjust every 30 days and depending on how you feel, which gives you the control, you can choose to have a set amount of data and then increase it the next month if you feel like you're going to need it. You can also adjust it to have unlimited talk and text or the 2-minute plans that they do have, or just no talk and text if you use Google Voice or Text Now. So you could really customize this for it to fit what you want to spend for mobile service. And that's exactly what MobileX is geared towards and why I think they're going to do just fine.